Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure visualization tools with Microsoft Power BI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure visualization tools with Microsoft Power BI, first, open the Power BI desktop application. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal security features. Begin by selecting the report you want to secure. Navigate to the File menu found in the top left corner. From the drop-down, choose Options and Settings. Then select Options. In the Options menu, locate the Security. Here, you will find various security settings relevant to your reports. Consider implementing row-level security for data protection. To set this up, click on Manage Roles under the Modeling tab. Create roles that define what data users can access. Use DAX expressions to specify data filters for each role. Once roles are defined, save your changes. Next, publish your report to the Power BI service. This will allow you to manage user access and security at the workspace level. In the Power BI service, go to the workspace where your report is published. Find your report and click on the Share button. You can now invite users and define their access levels. For enhanced security, consider using Azure Active Directory for authentication. This ensures that only authorized users can access your reports. Monitor access logs within the Power BI service for any unusual activity. Regularly review and update permissions to maintain security. Lastly, educate users on best practices to protect sensitive information. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your visualization tools in Microsoft Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.